Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you the best FPS settings you can run while playing Valorant, even if you're running a low-spec computer. Typically, for the game to run smoothly, you'll have to change some of the general and graphic settings, which I'm about to show you how to do now. So we want to open up Valorant and then come to the Settings tab, which we can do by pressing the Escape key on our keyboard. We then want to come into the Video tab and we want to select General. Now we can tweak some of the settings on the screen here, even if you are running a low-spec computer. So the first thing you want to do is Display Mode. You want to set this to full screen. For the resolution, this depends on your monitor size, but typically we want to lower this to something like 2080 by 720. We want to set all of these limit FPS things to off. And then we can come to the graphics quality section. Now we want to keep multi-threaded rendering on. These ones we can all set to low. We want to make sure Vignette and VSync are both off. Anti-aliasing needs to be set to none. We can change this 4 times and set it to 1 times instead. Improved clarity needs to be set to off. Experimental sharpening set to off. We want to set bloom off, distortion off, and cast shadows off. Basically, we're just turning everything off for the lowest optimal performance. You can try keeping bloom and distortion on if you want, but it does affect the overall performance, so if you are running a slow computer, then I'd recommend keeping them off. Now, the last tab we want to come to is the Stats tab. These don't really affect the FPS much, but it does help your monitor just perform better overall. So we want to change client FPS to text only, the server tick rate to text only, and then all of the other options, we just keep this on hidden. And then once we finish, we can press close settings to save our changes. Now, thanks for watching guys, and hopefully this helped you with setting up the best FPS settings for Valorant. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this one.